Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimpo Masgara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatigyan natin ano gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of September 19 hanggang September 25 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So guys, just wait a minute. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano kayang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? There is a Three of Swords, heartache. Mukhang may heartache dito or something na kumbaga masasaktan ka or talaga nasaktan ka na. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles. Secure about sa finances mo, baka lokohin ka, no? Pagdating sa pera. And of course, there's a Four of Cups, reevaluate, analyze, no? Kailangan na, kumbaga, pag-isipan mo munang mabuti bago ka mag-take ng action. Tulad ng example, tulad na mag-chat sa'yo, Mars, kineso, ganto ganyan. Tapos pre, ganto ganyan, diba? Pag ganyan, o kaya Mare, ganon, diba? Alam mo na yan, pag ganyan. Pag walang kasunod, syempre mag-chat ka na umbak. Bakit sis? Or bakit Mars? Ganun. Diba? Pagkatapos kasi na pag nag-reply ka, ligwak ka. Ergos, there's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka dito. No? At the same time, there's the word card. There's an information na magsasabi sa'yo, there's a trouble. And of course, there's a success coming your way or something na may about sa ibang bansa. So, let's see guys. And of course, there's a justice card. Ibig sabihin dito may hustisya. And of course, there's a balance. And of course, information na magdadala sa hustisya. So, ibig sabihin dito, bukang may something na hinarang ka dito sa kumbaga gusto mo mga ibang bansa kaso hindi natuloy or something. Sinasabi sa inyo dito na matutuloy na yan some other time. So, sinasabi rin sa inyo dito, mukhang may legal issue about dito sa ibang bansa, no? May cause dito na eksena. So, what is the Three of Swords? And of course, there's a Star card. So, ibig sabihin dito, itong sakit na to yung magsisilbing power mo. Kasi, the Star card is a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na hindi ka nakuha last time, pero this time, makukuha mo na. What is the King of Pentacles? There's an Ace of Pentacles. Wow, a big money coming in. Insecure mo daw about sa finances mo, no? Kailangan pangalagaan mo, protektahan mo. Kasi there is a big money, oh. And of course, what is the Four of Cups? And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin dito, magtutuloy-tuloy na raw about sa finances, diba? And of course, there is a gift. Na kumbaga sinasabi rin dito na kailangan i-analyze mo itong offer na to. Kung makakatulong ba to o dyan ba ito yung timing na kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy ba ang pasok ng pagkakaperahan sa'yo. What is the Page of Pentacles? And of course, there's a magician, there's a manifestation and manifestation. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan ka ng mga bagong ideas and bagong plano. So, what is the fourth card, no? Itong plano na to na bago, kumbaga ito yung magdadala sa iyo ng tagumpay. And of course, there's a temperance, there's a perfect timing, and of course, there's a divine interventions. Or, like I said, there's a divine timing. No? Mayroon ditong, kumbaga yung pag-alis mo sa ibang bansa is this is your moment na, no? So, what is the justice? Ano tong justice na to? And of course, there's a Six of Swords. Ibig sabihin dito, transition, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo na yung hustisya, tapos mababago na ang buhay mo. Diba? There's a good karma for you na mangyayari. Kumbaga, naglingkod ka sa boss mo, tapos binigyan ka ng, kumbaga, kumbaga pinamanahan ka bigla, 'di ba? Or binigyan ka kumbaga bonus or something, 'di ba? Kumbaga ito nakapagbagong buhay ka na. So let's see what is the Three of Swords and of course the Star card. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Knight of Sword. Knight of Sword, there's an anxiety, deception. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, nag-overthink ka rin at the same time, ha? Kumbaga, and of course, feeling tired, no? Kumbaga, pagod ka dito. What is the King of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles? Because there's a devil, o see, temptation, or something na negativity, pero naka-reverse siya. It means, kumbaga, mayroong sumusubok, 'di ba, na lokohin ka. Ganon. What is the Four of Cups and of course the Six of Pentacles? So, sinasabi, mag-ingat ka sa business scam dyan, ha? Or sinasabi na investment scam. Mag-ingat. And of course, there's the Full card. Leap of faith, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, i-analyze mo muna bago mo pagkatiwalaan. Oh, eto ha, like I said, meron ditong ako nasa-sense na magtitiwala sa online scam or something na investment scam. Mag-ingat po, ha? This is awareness, no? Mag-ingat po. What is the Page of Pentacles? And of course, the Magician. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a Two of Pentacles, being a balance, no? What is the World card and of course the Temperance? There's a judgment, wake up call, or awakening, or red flag, no? Mag-ingat kayo kasi ito ay papadalang kayo ng red flag. Kapag kayo nakakita ng 111 sign po yun, 31 ha, sign po yun na pay attention sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. Diba? What is the Queen of Wands? Stability and control. And of course, there's a Empress card. Revert talaga, team. May eksena talaga na magpapabago na eksena mo with the Nine of Pentacles. Blossoming abundance. Talagang mayroon ka dito makukuha pera, team. May makukuha kang pera dito na bigla ang, kumbaga, good karma. So, what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Chariot card. And of course, there's a Five of Wands. Na mag-ingat ka na maraming competitor, maraming kalaban. Mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-collaborate. So, let's see what is the Five of Wands. Atong Five of Wands na to. See? Mag-ingat ka kasi there's a long-term success and long-term investment. Na marami ka rin kakompetensya dito. Kakompetensya sa negosyo o trabaho mo. See, there's a Three of Cups. There's a third party. It's either kasama mo sa trabaho, kasama mo sa negosyo. Mag-ingat. So, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? So, there's shadow side. There's a dark night. There's a moon. Revelation. Marami kang malalaman. And of course, there's an attraction. Yun nga, kumbaga, mag-ingat ka sa, kumbaga, kumbaga, lagi ka naloloko o lagi ka nabubudol, mag-ingat po, ha? So, additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Ace water. So, ibig sabihin dito, may involvement sa iyo ng water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Mayroon kang kaugnayan, no? Sa mga water signs. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? There's a palm tree, stability, and of course, security. At the same time, there's a not enough. Now, there's an insecurities and jealous. Now, may naiinggit at meron ditong, kumbaga, baka magkaroon ng sabotage, no? Sabotage. Mag-ingat sa mga binibitawan salita. And of course, there's a wedding ring. No? Kumbaga, there's everlasting promises. Okay, let's see. What is additional messages? What is additional messages? And of course, there is a courage. Ibig sabihin dito na, kumbaga na ini-encourage ka dito na lakasan mo yung loob mo. Na maging matapang ka sa mga bagay na kinakaharap mo. 'Di ba? No, let's see what is additional messages for Moontology. Work through your fears. Okay, sorry. What you need to release. Ano yung kailangan mong alisin, no? Ano yung kailangan mong alisin dito? Yung mga bad attitude siguro, or yung mga negative thoughts. And of course, there's a surrender to the divine. No, kailangan i-surrender mo kay God, sa ating universe. At the same time, there's a be bold and make the first move. So, kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a spiritual activation. Some of you mukhang tumatalas ang inyong pakiramdam, no? Or no, meron kayo spiritual abilities. And of course, there's a transition, pagbabago, no? Maraming pagbabago nangyayari sa ngayon sa sarili mo na hindi mo napapaliwanag. Magdasal ka, tiha. At the same time, there's confident, no? Kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili mo. Nauunahan ka kasi ng takot at pangamba. So, what is the energy? What is the energy? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a patient, no? Kumbaga, there's a time to decide, no? And of course, there's a time to heal. Takes time, or there's a perfect timing. There's a temperance for perfect timing. And of course, there's a blossoming abundance. Mamumukadkad na ang mga bagay-bagay sa iyo pagdating sa finances. Diba? And of course, the love life. So, what is additional messages? Because there's a study, may mga bagay na natutunan ka dito, no? Do more research, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo pamamalaman. At the same time, sinasabi rin siya dito, there's a support, no? Sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit dito sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, no? And of course, your life purpose. Sinusuportahan ka dyan. So, what is the Romance Angels? What is the Romance Angels? Pagdating sa Romance Angels, there's a retreat, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa mundong ginagalaw mo. Charis, kailangan mong kumawala o mag-disconnect, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. Kung alam mo parang naguguluhan ka, no? Kailangan mong mag-unwind. At the same time, there's new love. So, ibig sabihin, may bagong pag-ibig na parating sa'yo. A new person has to stir your romantic feelings. So, let's see. Wait, there's an impatient, no? Takes time, no? Marunong ka mag-antay at marunong kang, kumbaga, magpasensya sa mga bagay-bagay. Kasi masyadong naiinip ka na siguro na gusto mo na mangyari mga ganito, ganyan. Gusto mo na makuha, gusto mo nang makaalis sa situation mo. It takes time, kasi there's a lesson na kailangan mo matutunan dyan. And of course, there's an impartiality, being a balance, no? Kailangan maging fair ka. At mayroong fair dito na eksena. Napatas lang kasi ang nangyayari. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga tao din na pinagdaanan yung mga ganyan. So, ibig sabihin dito, na kailangan mo pagdaanan din yan. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Focus upon divine perfect health. So, ibig sabihin dito, na kailangan mo focus sa health mo, no? And have confidence. I told you, di ba, kailangan mo ng confident dito. Masyado ka nagkakaroon ng pangamba at takot. Labanan mo daw yan. No? What is additional messages for Archangel Raphael? For Archangel Raphael messages for Archangel relationship and of course good night's sleep. So ibig sabihin dito na kumbaga meron ditong pagtulog or kailangan ng pahinga. At the same time, there's a relationship involved. No? May parating talagang new love life. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na Archangel, that new love life is coming your way. No? Or some of you baka may relasyon na or may karelasyon na. So, what is additional messages for Jesus loving quotes? At the same time, sinasabi dito, heal the sick that they're in and say unto them, the kingdom of God is coming into you. Ibig sabihin dito, darating si God para pagalingin ka sa anumang uri ng karamdaman, anumang uri ng sakit ng nakaraan. So, ibig sabihin dito na magtiwala ka. Kumbaga, parating at hihilumin ni God ang mga bagay na nagbibigay ng bigat at sakit sa'yo. So, what is the angel's number? Angel's number represent a 2. I am intuitive. You have a keen awareness of what is happening around you. A strong intuition is your gift. and will help you understand that unspoken feeling and thoughts on others. These insights allow you to be great guide and supporter. So, see, kumbaga, meron kang abilities na ibinigay sa'yo dito. Yun, itong spiritual activation na to ay is your intuition, no? Mukhang pinatalas at pinakita sa'yo ni God yung mga bagay-bagay or may mga pasilip sa'yo or ay hindi tinatawag na insights, diba? Kung may mga pasilip sa'yo, yung mga like intuitions, prediction, or premonitions, may mga bagay na pinapakita sa'yo na mangyayari sa kasalukuyan or nangyari sa nakaraan. Dalawa kasi yung ibig sabihin yan. So, let's see kung ano pa yung yun nga yung makikita mo. So kung nagkaroon ka ng ganyang eksena, comment down below para at least mas malaman mo pa yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. 'Di ba? So what is the messages of life? There's a simplicity. Today, I choose to simplify myself as I do so. My burdens lighten. I release my ego need to understand, to prove, and to control. Instead, I undertake every task with an open, humble heart. Seeing through the eyes of a child, I discover life isn't all its wonder and simplicity. As the complication and chaos of the mind fall away, I remember I am with the light. No? I am with the light. So, ibig sabihin dito, na kumbaga, sinisimple lang sa'yo sabihin dito ni God na lahat ng mga nararamdaman, lahat ng mga nararanasan mo, it's a part of your journey, no? Kumbaga, tinusubukan ka kung kaya mong maging matatag at kaya mong maging matapang sa hamon ng buhay. Kasi kailangan mo maging matapang, alisin ang takot at pangamba, at kailangan linisin mo ang sarili mo sa lahat ng sakit at sa lahat ng mga galit at puot na nararamdaman mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, pakawalan mo yung sarili mo sa negativity at yung positive ay ma-attracts mo. So, guys, this reading is special gabay for the month of September 19 hanggang September 25 for the sign of Aquarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!